I've been waiting for a good wet, heavy snowfall to demonstrate the Simplicity 1222 EE. We finally got about 8 to 9 inches of wet, heavy snow. I'll measure it for you with the tape measure. And we also had a lot of wind last night, so I've got a drift over here about 18 inches deep. So I'm going to demo the wet, heavy snow part, and then we'll go over to that big drift and see how this single stage snow thrower handles the snow. This is right here in the center of the driveway. You can see the tape measure. Here's the edge of the driveway where it kind of drifted up a little bit. We got about 12 inches there. I'm going to move out of the way here in a second because I want you to see how clean this thing gets your driveway. My driveway is 17 feet wide, it's 62 feet long, and we had 8 inches of snow. It took me 23 minutes to clear out this whole entire section. It's still snowing pretty good. As you can see, it's very, very clean. I'm going to be snow blowing right here where I had another car. So you'll be able to see how it actually blows the snow where the snow's been packed down by the tires. Over along this area here where you can see the drifts, I measured 22 inches there. And up along this fence on this side, I measured 18 inches deep there. I'll show you with the tape measure, and then we'll see how the snowblower works. As you can see in the tape measure right there, I got about 16 inches right there. You can see there in the tape measure, I'm at about 15 inches. But I'm probably packed down about 3 inches right here on my foot. If you come over here to the height of my knee, I'm at about 24 inches. So I can't even get the tape measure all the way down over here. I'm going to go over the tire tracks first so you can see how well it gets down to the asphalt and gets rid of that snow that's been packed down. As you can see where that snow was packed down with the vehicle, cleaned it right down to the asphalt. Here's a view with the tape measure. As you can see, 24 inches is about to the top of the snorkel. So you can kind of gauge how deep this is over here. Right here I'm sitting at maybe 18 and a half, 19 inches. I'm not going to go gentle. I'm actually going to kind of shove it into this snow kind of hard. Just so you guys can see how powerful the engine is. I'm sure the engine's going to bog down a little bit, but let's see how it goes. Hope you guys found this video helpful and informative. If you're looking for a single stage snow thrower, don't look any farther than the Simplicity 1222 EE. They make a 1022, but I don't recommend that one. Just for a couple bucks more, you can get the 1222. Thanks for watching.